Hello everyone. Today we will study the question number G of numerical lesson number 1 gravitation. In last video we have studied the question number E. Okay, I will explain you this numerical step by step. See, first of all, the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. That is what it is given as. Capital M is equal to 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Now next, the distance between the earth and the sun is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. That is R, it is given as 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 meter. If the gravitational force between the two is 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 Newton, that is F is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 Newton. What is the mass? So what we have to find out, that is M is equal to question mark. In this question, G is given as capital G 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11. Okay, Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, this is per kg square. This is given as. Now we will solve this question. I will take the formula for this. See, here formula is that F is equal to capital G capital M into M upon R square. Now we have to find out this small m. So what we will do? Rearrange the equation. So our answer, when we rearrange, answer will come here. M is equal to F into R square upon capital G into capital M. Now what we will do? We will substitute the values which are given here. See here, 3.5 into 10 raised to 22 multiplied by R, what is 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 bracket square upon G is 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 11 and into capital M is 6 into 10 raised to 24. See what I will do here. First I will take this 3.5, 1.5, 6.7 and 6 on the one side. 3.5 multiplied by 1.5 square means 15 square, it is an 2.25 upon 6.7 into this 6. Now I will take this into 10 raised to 22, 11 into 2 into 10 raised to 22 multiplied by 10 power minus 11 multiplied by 10 power 24. Understand this? What I have taken. Now I will multiply this numerator. See here, 35 multiplied by 5 175, 17 carry, 35 multiplied by 2 70, 70 plus 17, answer will come here 87. So what we will write here, 7 and 8 will carry, 35 2s are 70, 70 plus 8 78. We will write the decimal point 1 2 3 1 2 3, answer will come here 7.87. now when we multiplied by 67 into 6, answer will come here 6 7s are 42, carry 4 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 4, answer will come here 40, one decimal point. Okay, now see here, 10 power 44, 22 plus 22, answer will come here 44. From 24, 11 gone, answer will come here 10 power 13. Now when we divide this 40.2 to 7.84, answer will come here 0.1958 multiplied by. Now from 44 minus 13, answer will come here 31. So answer is 10 power 31. Now we will shift this decimal point here and this will round up. So answer will come here 1.96 into 10 raised to. When we shift this decimal point here, one number will come less. So answer will come here 10 power 30. This is our answer. Okay, this is in kg. What we have calculated, small m. See our answer here, m is equal to 1.96 into 10 raised to 30 kg we have found out. Understand this numerical? Okay, thank you.